Namaste, welcome to Pranavam Talks. We have always discussed that exercise and meditation, yoga are good ways to reduce stress. Then what about food? Over the last 5 years, there have been sufficient research going on regarding diet and brain health. And what researchers found is there is an incredible relationship between diet and the resistance of neurons to insults, stress, etc. So from this, it is evident that food has a greater role in even de-stressing. And researchers have found that there is an incredible relationship between the food we eat and the neurons' response to stress and even insults. And here we start on our journey about food and de-stress. Our brain is influenced by the gut hormones that enters the brain and also by the hormones that are created in the brain itself. I'll tell you one example. Leptin is a hormone that is created in the gut, and this is a hormone that signals the brain whether if we should feel that appetite or not. This is produced mostly in the adipose tissue and signals the brain regarding our appetite. And leptin receptors are there in the brain in plenty. Food is capable of influencing the health as well as function of a brain. A brain boosting diet can influence short-term as well as long-term functions of brain. Our brain is an energy intensive organ. It takes up 20% of the calories we give to the body. As a result, there is a good necessity of supplying good fuel, good food, nutritious food to our brain so that it remains active. It can concentrate and memorize and convert our memories into engrams in a better way. So we know that the major fuel of brain is glucose. Its major fuel, that is glucose, and the brain is experiencing a mood swing. And the same reason many of the doctors are advising not to follow keto diet on a long run. Now let me tell you a few examples of the food and its influence on brain. We know that omega-3 fatty acids is really helpful for our body, and many of us may not know that it is highly essential in the proper functioning and repair of the brain cells. And regarding antioxidants, that is a major factor that keeps stress away. It makes our brain equipped towards stress, and it helps us to find ways to solve problems. And not just that, it is great for inflammation of the brain as well.